Hey there, welcome back to this channel, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of a popcorn maker. This is the one I have with me right here. It's called Elite Gourmet, and it's the 16 cup hot air popcorn maker. So if it's something you're wanting to buy and maybe you're interested in this product, this is what the product looks like. I'm just going to do a little 360 of this product. That's what the product looks like, and gonna do the unboxing of this one. Anyway, so let's see what it says on the tin, so to speak. It says, make fresh, hot and healthy popcorn for the whole family. 16 cup hot air popcorn maker. It has a popcorn chute to pop directly into the serving bowl. That's where it is. That's the chute that pops directly into the serving bowl. Measuring cup doubles as a handy butter melting tray. Interesting. So this measuring cup also, this thing here, it doubles up as a handy butter melting tray. It does have vented clear cover, which is nice. Also has a cord wrap, so in case the cord is getting entangled with your cook, where you can just wrap it. The power cord starts from here. Then you also have a power switch and easy to clean power base, which is, of course, you want it to be nice and clean. It does the features up to 16 cups of fresh hot popcorn, pops directly into the bowl. Your choice, fast and healthy or fast and buttery. Multifunctional measuring cup for kernels or melting butter, and hot air is fast and healthier than microwave popcorn that uses oil and preservatives. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, time to open or unbox this popcorn maker. Let's get down to it. Excited to see what the contents really are. And everything looks good on the packaging on the outside, so it's not damaged or any of that stuff, so that's good. Okay, wow, look at that. That's pretty nifty and neat. Right? Okay, so that's the cable they were talking about that comes with its section where you can actually wrap the power cable, so that's nice. This is the chute. Nothing really inside, it's just a manual how to use it using the instruction manual. That's what it is. Simple machine. Doesn't come with a ton of bells and whistles, any of that stuff, or accessories. It's just simple. Okay. This is what it looks like. Elite Gourmet. Nice, look at that. Pristine for now. And of course it has the power button. Turn it on. Nice and sturdy. That's what I like. Unwrap it. All right, so now that we have this all assembled, so this is the measuring cup. This measuring cup also doubles up as a handy butter melting tray, which is awesome. Just fits nice and snug on it. And this over here is where you can wrap the power cord. Okay, so that's nicely built, and it's not going to come in the way. It's not going to be dangling like this. Yeah, once it wraps around, so it's perfect. One last look at the Elite Gourmet, and I can't wait to start popping some delicious popcorn in this air popper. So there you have it, the unboxing of the air popper from Elite Gourmet, and I can't wait to start using it. Looks awesome. That's what the product is, and look how stylish that is. Super cool. That's the chute. This is the section where you can do wrap your power cord, and of course this is the measuring cup, which also doubles up as a butter tray. So that's super awesome. And thanks for watching this video, and hope to speak to you soon on my next video. Bye for now.